दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल ने मीडिया को जानकारी देते हुए बताया कि पहले स्टेज में प्लाज्मा थेरेपी कारगर साबित हुई। साथ ही उन्होंने कोरोना से ठीक हुए मरीज जो प्लाज्मा डोनर बन सकते हैं, उन्हें प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने का आग्रह किया। अब प्लाज्मा थेरेपी के इस उपचार पर एम्स के डायरेक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने कई बातें साफ की। उन्होंने दो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बातें प्लाज्मा थेरेपी से जुड़ी ये बताएं कि सिर्फ प्लाज्मा थेरेपी ही एकमात्र उपचार नहीं है। ये सभी कोविड-19 मरीजों के लिए भी प्रभावी नहीं है, इसलिए एक समग्र उपचार किया जाना चाहिए।
It's been there for more than 100 years. Used first time in the 1918 pandemic and has been used in number of diseases including polio, more recently in the MERS coronavirus. And there are two small studies of around 6 and 10 patients where it has been shown that it may be useful. There are two or three things which is important to remember. One is plasma therapy is not the only treatment strategy, and it's not that it will be effective in all patients, because there are a number of other things which are happening in people who are infected with COVID-19. They have what we call acute respiratory distress syndrome. There is a lot of infarction occurring in the lung. They also have what we call a cytokine storm. A lot of inflammatory markers come into the blood, which are not going to be treated by just plasma therapy. So it's a holistic treatment which needs to be done. Second important issue to understand is that plasma therapy is having people who have recovered, and after their recovery, 14 days after they're negative, willing to give their blood from which the plasma is taken. Also, the blood that they give has to have good amount of antibodies. So there are certain studies which are coming from India which suggest a number of people who are recovering are not having that good amount of antibodies based on the antibody testing kit. So we have to be careful about what treatment we are giving, because that has to have good amount of antibodies. And then giving it to sick patients. So getting plasma from donors, testing it to see it as adequate antibodies, then being able to keep it and give it to people who have COVID-19 and are very sick has to also be worked out. And then there are ethical issues about people willing to donate their blood and how it can be used. So I think it is one form of treatment, but we should not look at it as a magic bullet, because there are a lot of other things that are required that have to be given holistically. And the data for using it as far as COVID-19 is concerned is related to two very small studies where some benefit was shown. So we need to look at it in a more research type of a treatment modality, rather than actually something which can be done for all patients suffering with COVID-19.
उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि प्लाज्मा थेरेपी सेफ है, लेकिन ये कोई वैक्सीन नहीं है। साथ ही उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि इस पर अध्ययन करना जरूरी है।
Transfusion related reaction which can occur, including the fluid overload and other things which are well documented for any blood transfusion that is done, and that is something that we need to keep in mind as it is for any treatment. But otherwise, having said this, in terms of treatment, it is a relatively safe form of treatment. So plasma therapy is currently a treatment. It is not given to prevent COVID-19. It's not like a vaccine. It's basically antibodies, so they give passive immunity to someone who is already having active disease, and that is how we're looking at it. So we will have to select patients properly. Just taking plasma from everyone who has recovered and giving it to a sick patient may not be enough. We will have to do a detailed antibody titer testing to see what is the degree of antibodies in the plasma, and then be able to say that yes, this person who has donated blood has good antibodies and it could be given. So I still feel that it needs to have rigorous research which is being done in many hospitals in India, including our hospital, before we are able to say that this is a good and effective treatment.